picked up by Gavin. We're gonna get the cars washed. I guess the truck's washed. Sorry.
Call it a car again.
Apologize. Apologize. Got Michael in front of us.
With the coolest fucking truck in the 815.
Hit town like a freight train running, staring at us like deer in the headlight. Never thought you had another thing coming. Did the same damn thing to him last night. Everywhere we go, everywhere we've been, leave a trail of ashes and a trail of sin. Back up the gear, let's hit the road. We got a long way to go.
Oh, we're at the car wash now. We gotta wait for this guy in front of us to get done. Gavin ran to take a piss, so I don't know. I'm just sitting here all alone. I don't know where Michael went. He's not at the car wash. I don't know. Well, the guy in front of us left. I was still taking a piss, so I guess I'll have to move her up. Alrighty.
At the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash. Sing it with the feeling now, car wash, yeah. Woo! Come some of the work gets kinda hard. This ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. And the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool. At the car wash, whoa, 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 whoa. Talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me. Car wash, woo, woo, woo. Car wash, yeah. Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Keep those bags and machines humming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work. If I can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, get your car washed today. Fill up and you don't have to pay. Come on and give us a play. Get a wash right away.
Well, the truck's all shined up. Now we're gonna go pull some trail cameras.
Hey, we gotta go. You want to stay with Mike or come with me?
Where are you going?
I have to go jumpstart Mary's truck.
I go with him.
Okay, I'll meet up with you guys after.
Alright. This is Mike.
Hi,
What do you do for a living, Mike?
I'm going to school to be a diesel technician, and I'm an auto technician right now.
Where do you go to school?
Blackhawk Tech.
Mike's truck's all cleaned. Are you happy with your truck?
Huh?
Are you happy with your truck?
Oh, I suppose.
I suppose.
For now.
Alright. Well, I'll have to go check some trail cams. Yeah, it does. How far back is it? Whose place is this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We used to know the people that rented it out.
Oh, so they just told the new people to. Oh, that's a good deal.
Like we knew the people that owned the house and they used to rent it out to people. And now these people bought it.
It'd be shitty if they told you can't come back here, but
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool country. In here, have some in here. Entry stands right there. Look at how rutted up this path is right here. Like you can see it from a ways back, but look how rutted up that shit is. You can
Oh, yeah.
clearly see that path. And there's another tree stand right over there.
does this trail camera have like the LCD screen or no? Because I don't have my laptop.
Keep that.
Some of the cheap ones take decent pictures. I mean, it does what it needs to do.
But that 6 or 8 that we thought we saw
Yeah.
was up by that dead log up there. And you could see like there's a path up there where they come through. But the trail camera's all the way back here, so you couldn't fucking see it. And it was dark out when you passed too. Ow, fucking horse, that's sharp.
It's fat. Oh, jeez. Those only last you a week?
Told you it's a garbage trail camera. Money shot.
Oh, jeez. Oh, well.
Time to track the trail, try mush. Woo!
I can tell anything.
I think that's an ear.
Is that you, I'm guessing? There's one.
Big old doe.
She's fat. Holy shit.
Hello.
What are you up to?
Look, there's one.
I'm at Jake Fisher's house.
Oh,
What
I
do
got my
you?
deck brakes done, but my dad said we had the plug around, but I couldn't find it. It was a torch bit. I didn't have the right size for the shop, and I couldn't find it. So the front pads are actually still pretty good, but the back ones were due.
So did you put back ones on it or no?
Yeah, I put back pads and rotors on.
That's all it is.
Just fucking black.
Yeah,
Oh, you can see that.
I'm headed towards
Yeah,
Rockton
I
now,
guess
so
this
I'll
one.
let you know when I'm out that way.
All right, sounds good.
You with Gavin too?
Yeah, Gavin's coming here right now.
Oh, I see. I talked to Parker earlier, see what he was doing. He said, I'm going to go look at a Duramax. I'm like, how the fuck do you think you're going to afford one of them?
He just bought a 7.3.
He says the guy that owned that a while back somehow found him.
Yeah, I was
And
with him
his
when that
mom-
happened.
Yeah.
His mom bought it for him as a graduation present, and now he wants it back because his
Yeah.
mom fucking died or whatever.
Yeah. Well, either way, he thinks like he still got a loan on it, so the money he gets from that guy, if he does, even if it's a little bit more, he's gonna he'll still be left with none after he's done paying the rest of the loan and the interest.
Right.
But he'll figure it out someday. The money thing.
He doesn't understand.
No, he just thinks, the guy will give him money and that'll go towards the new truck. No, he'll go towards the one you bought.
Right.
Just because
He'll
you sold
figure
the
it out
truck.
when he has no money and he's in debt.
Yeah. The bank's not gonna be like, oh, you banged
Gotta,
your truck, you
gotta
sold
be a
that
diesel
one.
too, otherwise, you're not cool.
I could give a fuck less if my truck was a diesel or not.
No, I don't care. I mean, I wouldn't mind having one.
That was a fun little day. I gotta go clean the house. So hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.